Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine. Welcome your Oxford Reading Circle class 3. Open your ORC book page number 13. Amna did not eat much dinner that night because she was too excited. She read the menu before she went to bed. I can't decide whether have the British fish and chips or French chicken, she said to her mum. Her mum laughed and joked. Maybe you can have one of each thing on the menu. During the night, Amna had a dream. She walked into the restaurant with her parents and sat at the table covered in a smart white cloth. There was a big tray in front of her, and a team of waiters started putting food on it. Amna began to eat. First, she tried some delicious Chinese dumpling and then some spicy Italian meatballs. Amna happily enjoying the food, but the waiters continued to bring her more and more dishes, each one piled high with amazing meals. Amna's mouth was full, her stomach was full, and she wanted to stop eating, but the waiters kept bringing more and more food. Her parents, the restaurant owner, and her head teacher were all standing around the table saying, "Eat up, don't waste the food." And the food kept piling up, and Amna had to keep eating. Her stomach had swollen up like a balloon. It was starting to hurt. "No more, please, no more," she shouted. Now, dear student, do underline words for dictation: weather, British, French, restaurant, tray, team, waiters, Chinese, dumpling, spicy, Italian, piled, amazing, honor, swollen, and shouted. Dear student, do underline these words for dictation. Send your dictation and your reading in WhatsApp group and also write about your favorite food. Hope you understood. Allah Hafiz.